Hey guys, it's Devin. I am walking in this rain. It's amazing. I haven't been able to do a video in a while. Sorry guys. I've been putting things together in my room, which I will do a video on that when I get home, but my phone's at 5%. So I'm just trying to make this quick video here. It feels amazing outside. I just got done working out actually because I just put my thing up. My bench, my weight set up. Oh my gosh, I feel pumped right now. It's amazing. I love it. I love that feeling. Right after you get done working out and you're kind of like tired. Oh, it's amazing. I'm here, duckies. I'm here to take care of the ducks in the rain. I love the rain though here. It's amazing. Holy crap, they moved the thing. Duckies, you need new water. He laid an egg. Oh. Guys. Egg. Another egg. Any more eggs? Dang, you guys stink in here. Woo. You've been pooping everywhere. Oh, I know what you've been pooping too. Ew. Now I gotta be careful because I got eggs in my jacket. Actually, just listen to music coming down here. I don't think I've ever showed you my grandma's house. This is my house practically. Well, gonna be. And I can't really feed the cows right now because their trough thing has water in it. Look. Okay, you can't say that's not a redneck cow water trough. That's a freaking bathtub. I mean, come on, that's amazing. Just saying. Oh yeah, sorry guys if this video cuts off, cause like I said, my battery's going dead. This is the barn. It's so dark in here. Oh no. Okay. The barn is soaking wet. Did Dad get more? Oh yeah, he did. Holy crap, he got a lot more. Feed. Most amazingest thing I've ever seen in my life. Where's your down? Hello? Oh, I guess you guys don't have it. Clump. Oh no. I wish you guys could smell this. Oh no. Open! Here, cows! Lucy, Buddy, Brody! Get your sweet feed here! Get your freaking sweet feed! Come on! Come on, babies! Let's go! Oh no, it's a stampede! Stampede! Wrong bucket! Hold on guys, gonna have to put the phone down for a second. Move your fat heads! Eat my children! That's Lucy, that's Brody, and that's Buddy. Oh, they love their sweet feed. I got the sweet feed, now I gotta go back home. No, I can't feed the chickens. Yeah. There's nothing in it, so I can keep that there. Alright. Sorry guys, this video gets boring. Oh, crap, I keep forgetting I got eggs in my pocket. We still gotta eat these. I know. Duck eggs. Ew. Ew, duck eggs. Oh yeah. Duck eggs. Twice as big as a chicken egg. They taste just like chicken though. Don't move, eggs. You cannot crack on me. I'm coming. I'm getting you guys water. Hold on. We're getting water. You cannot see it. Here, I'll give you this lovely view of trees. Look, it's the sky. It's the sky! It's the cow. Oh, they left. Oh, no, they didn't. Best view ever. Ah!